It's instinct. Hey, mama, tell me why you sitting down. Get up and pick up the pieces. Come and move your shit around. You look hot, hot, hot.
All right, hi skaters, it's been a while. Kev here. We got a new jam skating tutorial. I'm calling this the scissor pivot. You can lead in many different variations of this. I wanted to show you guys what it was like what it looked like to a beat of a song. It's much easier to do these to music, as you know, it looks and sounds way better. But I'm going to break this video down a little bit so you can hopefully get this and then take it to your local skating rink and bust out this move. So first off, stand kind of your weight's even on both feet, and then when you're ready, what you do is just get used to doing this first part of the move. What you're going to do is you're going to push one foot out like that, right? And at the same time, the other heel you're going to go like that. You're going to pivot on the balls of your feet, right? And you're going to just step your heel out at the same time. So let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right? And bring it back. We'll do it one more time. I'm starting off with the right. I'm going to slide the right foot forward on all 4 wheels, and then just pivot on my ball of my right foot and just pivot my step, lift my heel up and out at the same time. Ready? So it's like that. And then slide when you bring your feet back together, the heel comes back. Right? So slide forward and step out. Bring it back. Slide forward, step out. Right? So just practice that over and over again until you get it one way. Right? Okay, now we're going to practice it the other way. So after you go right foot forward, step out like that, bring it back. Now you're going to slide that left foot forward. At the same time, you're going to take your right, ball your foot, and lift your heel up and step that one out. Like that, at the same time. And then bring it back. I'm starting to roll backwards a little bit. This ramp's a little bit on tilt. I've been busy building my pool back here, as you guys can see. So, again, we're going to stand, and now we're going to do left forward. Same time, lift that right heel up and step it out. That's all that is, and you bring it back. And all these moves really help having bouncy knees. So you want to have the music to the beat and bounce. And when you're ready, just go boom, back together, boom. So you bounce, back together. Okay?
All right.
Is that starting to make sense? You want to turn around and do it one way?
Sure.
Yeah. So I'll turn back.
All right.
Ready? We're going to go step out, or slide forward and step out. Then bring it back. Slide forward, step out.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah, I got it.
That's going to lead to variations of crab walking and all kinds of certain things like that. So I hope this makes sense for you guys, and I hope this video was fun, useful, and helpful as always. We'd love to hear your comments, suggestions, and likes, of course. So until next time, skaters, we will check you guys later. All right, have a good rest of your afternoon. Talk to you later. Woo! Happy skating! Woo!